Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're drawing an axolotl from Squishmallows. So let's get started. To draw this cute axolotl, let's first start by drawing the Squishmallow shape. So I'm going to start right here with a curve. And as always, our Squishmallows are always a little bit narrower, thinner at the top. And it gets wider as we come down. So about right here, I'm just going to start with this curve. And then I'm going to start to bring it down. And you can make your Squishmallow taller or shorter. It's all up to you. How squished you want it to be, right? Okay, so I'm just going to keep bringing this down for our basic Squishmallow shape, which is like my dumpling shape, but just taller. So let's say about right here, I'm going to start to bring it in. And I'm just going to go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a flatter curve. There, something like this, kind of like an avocado shape, I guess. Okay, so now that we have the shape in, let's go ahead and put in some eyes. So I am going to say about right in this area right here, I'm going to start with a circle about right here. Then I'm going to come across about right here and draw another circle. There. So my two circles in, let's make them draw so cute eyes with two small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now the eyes in, I'm going to come in between the eyes and say about right here, right in the center. I'm just going to give myself a dot. And from there, I'm going to draw two curves coming out for the mouth. There. And probably just cap it off a tiny bit. Then I'm going to come on top of each eye and just draw a soft curve. Then from there, you could basically make this any kind of Squishmallow you want, right? But today we're going to make it an axolotl. So let's say about right here underneath the eye, let's come out about here, and we're going to draw a little curve here for a hand. And same thing on the other side. So I'm just going to drag a point across, just approximate on the same thing on the other side. So just bring this out just like the other side and round it off and bring it in. There. And then the most important thing we need to draw are the gills, right? So on the sides. So about right here, I'm going to start right here and I'm going to curve up and basically kind of as if I'm drawing three fingers. I'm going to bring this in, round it out, bring it in again. Let me bring it out again and then one more. And tuck it right in. So this one's the longest and it just kind of curves into this shape. So let's do the same thing on the other side. I'm just going to drag a point across just so I'm approximately the same area on the other side. Then from there, let's go ahead and do the same thing. Curve out about right here, just like the other side approximately. And we're going to go in and out. And one more. And bring it in. There. And then I thought, just to make it extra cute, I'm just going to lightly go around these gills and put in these little curves to make it extra cute and fluffy. There. So same thing on the other side. Just go all around. There. Okay, and then from there, if you like, I guess you could break up this big area right here on the tummy. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw a curve. So we can put in some color and break up this area. So I'm just going to draw this big tummy area and draw a curve and bring it right back down like the other side. There. And then of course we need to add a heart. So I'm going to put it right here to make this my Draw So Cute Axolotl. I really hope you love how this turned out, and I hope you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.